bandanas, so I will be, I don't know, I don't like that. Hey loves, what's up? It's Z. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing good. Hope everybody is staying safe. So jumping right into it, today's video is another sort of DIY slash clothing transformation video. So I took some bandanas like the one that's on my head right now. I bought 3 of them from Walmart, and they were, got the receipt right here, got the red receipt, just kidding. They were $1.97, so $2 for each bandana, and I bought 3 of them, 1 to wear on my head and then 2 for the actual outfit. I will be making a bathing suit out of the bandanas, so I wanted to show you guys how I did that. Now in the video I made the bathing suit as if it was I guess practical and you can actually wear it, so I did end up like lining the inside. I didn't only just use the bandana, I used like a fabric that was sort of like swimsuit fabric. But if you just want to wear it, or you just want to make the bathing suit just to, you know, take pictures or whatever is like that, then you don't have to do all those extra steps that I did. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I made this bandana bathing suit. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, tell me you guys idea on some other transformations I should make, and of course subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post. And thank you guys. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay y'all, hopping right in. We gonna start with both of our bandanas. I'm just going to open those up. I could have opened them before I started the video, but here we are. So yeah, I'm just going to be opening those bandanas up, show y'all what they look like when they're you know, out of the package or whatever like that. Not that y'all haven't seen a bandana before, but you know, we with the dramatics today, you know, gotta be like that. So we are going to start making our top first. So I cut out a triangle as I use that for my pattern. Just gonna cut that out and make sure it fits your boob, and boom, we got our 2 triangles. I sort of cut these on like the same pattern so they would be even. Girl, in the end I ended up sewing one like kind of wrong, so they weren't really the exact same pattern. And then I'm just taking some extra fabric that I'm going to be lining the tops with. Well, I will line the top and the bottom with this extra fabric, but I'm going to be taking that using the same pattern, the same triangle, to cut that out. And I ended up making this triangle a little bit smaller so it can fit inside of the bandana triangle. Okay, so now you have your 4 pieces cut out, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like with the red behind the pink. You can't really tell it's red, so it's really not a big deal. You can use black or any color. I just had the red fabric laying around, so that's what I used. And then I'm just showing you guys where you'd sew on your top. Okay, so now we're getting into the bottom, sis. We almost there. So I'm just putting the bottoms on the bandana. I placed it this way because I was thinking about the way the pattern would sit. But yeah, so you just use any bathing suit bottoms you already have. You don't have to make it this way, but this just seemed easier for me because it's all one piece. And then you just cut that out and you will have some bottoms. Okay, so we got that cut out, and y'all already know we about to do the same exact thing with the red fabric. Oh, this is what I meant when I was thinking about the way the pattern would lay. But yeah, so we're gonna do the exact same thing with the red fabric, and boom, you got your 2 pieces cut out, and then you have your 4 pieces for the top of your bathing suit. And then another thing I used is some like 550 cord to make the ties for all of it, which you actually could use elastic. That might work a little bit better. I'm pretty sure I was in that. Okay, so now we are at the sewing machine finally, which means we're almost there, y'all. So I just pinned the back of the where I pinned the two pieces together, the red fabric and then the bandana. Y'all, I'm just sitting here like, I guess I was fixing my sewing machine. I don't know. Probably like adjusting the stitch or whatever. But so you're just gonna hem these two, or sort of join the two fabrics. Y'all, I just had to yawn. That was the longest yawn ever. But you're just gonna sew these two together, and on the bottom you're gonna make sure to leave some space to put your string through when you actually finish the bikini top. Okay, first of all, why is this clip so blurry? What is happening? Anywho, I hope y'all can still see what I'm doing. If not, I'm explaining it. Why did I just throw that like that? I'm so reckless. But anywho, so what I'm doing here is attaching the cord to the bathing suit top. Y'all probably be better off using like elastic or making your own string out of the fabric that you use, because the cord is cute but it's not as functional. I mean, it just look cute, but it's less functional than you think. But here I am just wrapping the fabric around the cord. I hope y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. You know, since it's not all that with the angles, but I'm wrapping the fabric around the cord and sewing it down, and that eventually leads into me like hemming the actual bathing suit top. Therefore, you know, I'm joining the lining in with the bathing suit to make it one cohesive piece. And I'm just making sure that is together and that both sides are matching up. And then I'm just gonna take the other side and, you know, same thing, make sure the cord is actually like under my sewing machine, and my sewing machine is like, you know, hitting the cord, because once it's sewn down, it's you know, it's there forever, it's up and it's stuck. So then I'm just going to continue to you know, not line, I'm tripping, y'all. I'm going to continue to sort of hem the top of the bathing suit, and of course you have to do this for both of your pieces, y'all, because you just can't have one boob in your bathing suit. But anywho's, if y'all can tell, my triangle's a little small, so this bathing suit actually didn't really fit me. If I was going for the look, you know, like the trendy look of the bikini tops that are kind of like barely covering anything, then yes, it would be that. But for the most part, it was a little tight, a little small. So if I do this again, I would probably make the top part of the bathing suit a little bit bigger, and then I could actually probably wear it out somewhere. All right, y'all, so here is the finished bikini top with everything, all the cords and everything attached. Okay, sis, let's get into the bottoms for our bathing suit. As you can see, I already sort of like started to sew the bottoms together and attach the strings. I just want to show y'all kind of what it's looking like, or what it kind of will look like in the end. And again, make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video where I will be showing you guys what the bathing suit actually looks like on me. But yeah, so I'm just pinning the red fabric to the pink. I just pinned it so it could kind of like stay in place while I'm sewing, because I didn't want it to move. And then once I put the bathing suit on, some of the red parts were showing or anything like that, and then some of the parts I'm, you know, taking the pins out while I sew. So here I am just lining the string up and folding in the fabric, same as how I did with the top of the bathing suit. And then I'm just going to sew that down. For the parts where you're sewing the actual string or cord or whatever you want to call it, I kind of just go a little slow with my sewing machine, because, you know, we don't want no needles breaking or anything. Not that this cord is like super tough, but you just want to, you know, be easy on sis. Be easy on your sewing machine, because, you know, them things ain't cheap. But yeah, so I'm just going to line everything up and sew that together all the way to the other side, and then, you know, same thing, add the cord to the other side. Okay, y'all, we are at the last stretch. Thank y'all for sticking with me and watching up until this point. Please stay tuned for the reveal of our finished bathing suit at the end of the video. But yeah, so I'm just continuing the same things I was already doing. You know, I'm just showing you guys again how I did the part where it's the longest part of the bathing suit from the back to the front. The other stitch that I did, or the other way that I sewed it, was from the front to the back. And yeah, so I'm sticking with the same method, of course, rolling over that fabric and putting the string inside. I guess the string is about like an inch of it goes inside, and after that we will be done with our bathing suit, girl, and we are ready to go. Okay, so this is a final look at the bathing suit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was fun to make. I might make this in a couple other colors for next summer. Thank y'all for watching. Love you guys.